Welcome to Linux for You. You are watching my channel Linux for You, and my name is Sushil Sharma. So the today's agenda is how to back up the complete Linux server if the hard disk of the server is dead. So how you can recover your server if everything is dead, OS, application, your data, everything gone because your hard disk is damaged. So we will take a tool here that is a free tool in Linux. So we will use this tool to create an image of entire hard disk of Linux server, right? So that is 100% free, and that is supported in RHEL DVD repository, right? So without the RHEL subscription you can do this. So let's go to the lab, right? So first we have the two lab machines. First is NFS server. So here NFS server I will not show it to you because already I have given a video upon that. So NFS server is ready, so that is working well, and I am on the production server for which I have to take backup, right? So my NFS server is ready, so I will show you. So before that, please subscribe my channel and like the video, and donate any amount to this QR code if you are liking my channel, right? So let's go to the lab. So here we are going to the production server. So it is a production server for which we have to take backup, right? And my NFS server is the second machine that I will not show here because already I have built a video on that, right? You can check my playlist. So we will install the two packages here. Sudo dnf install. Package name is RHEL. RHEL means relax and recover. And the one tool is nfs-utils because we have to connect to our NFS server. So these two packages we need, right? So the main package is RHEL, relax and recover, right? So after installing these packages, we will configure this server and we will take the image backup of this server, right? Complete backup of this server. So wait a moment. Now the packages are completed, right? So on this server we will take the image backup. Now we will create a configuration file for RHEL, and the file is located here, etc RHEL local.conf. so you have to edit this file on this server for which we have to take the backup, right? So we will create see, it is telling you the permission denied, so you have to use sudo. If it is telling you that the permission denied, then you need to take what? You need to exit from here and use sudo if you don't have a credential. So sudo space vim etc RHEL local.conf. So this file you have to edit and go to the end of this file, right? And you have to add some statement here, right? So see carefully what statement you have to. Now I added some statement here in this file local.conf. So first line ISO file will be created of the backup image, and it will be created in this output folder. So here one ISO file will be created, and your backup will be on network on the another machine, and the another machine will be my NFS server. So if you don't know how to configure an NFS server, so 250 is the IP address of my NFS server, and inside this the exported directory is backup RHEL. So if you don't know how to configure NFS server, so you have to configure another virtual machine as an NFS server. So check my playlist and you will find a script, build one server with a single click, or you can find one more video where I am going to tell you that how to configure NFS server and client. So check my playlist and see that video. So this is my NFS server already running in the separate machine, and it is an exported directory, shared directory. So in local.conf file you have to add these lines, and now save this file, right? So after saving this file, you have to exit from this, right? So now I'm saving this file and exiting from here, right? After that, one more testing. Suppose you want to test that your NFS server is running well or not. So you can run the command sudo show mount -e and your IP address of NFS server, and in my case my IP address is 192.168.29.250. So here you can see my NFS server is exporting, sharing the directory backup RHEL, where your backup image will be saved. So this server entire hard disk image will be saved here, backup RHEL, on the another server, NFS server 250. Now we will take the backup of this server. So how to take the backup? See here, sudo RHEL -v for verbose, and verbose means what it will do, it will tell you. And after that the main command is mk backup. So by using this command you are creating the entire image of this server. All partition of the hard disk of this server will be backed up, right, on the NFS server, right? So it will take some time depending on your hard disk speed. So let's complete it, and after that I will tell you that where your backup is saved and how it is looking like and what is the size of that backup. So it will take 20 minutes or more depending on the size of this server, right? So you don't have to do anything, just wait and watch, and after that we will go ahead, right?